What's up, traders? 3 trades today. Just what a crappy day. Let's get to it. All right, real quick before we get into this, Discord link down in the description. Join us, guys. It's so much fun. We've been having a lot of good talks in the mornings. During the trading session, we are strictly talking trades, but afterwards, if you're looking for a place to hang out and have some fun, it's a great group of guys. I know that I've been attracting a great group of people as far as just overall knowledge of the market as well as just keeping each other company, because we all know trading can get a little lonely. So again, description is where the link is. What a crappy day. I can't even speak right. Anyways, let's take a look at our trades. Our first trade was on CGC, and again, you're going to see a little theme today where it looks unlike normal trades that we would take. But yeah, so this level that we drew was actually off the 15-minute chart. So if we kind of look at this, it was this area right here, or actually not that area. It was like the support area, and it had some resistance here. I was fetching. I was really trying to find some trades today because it just felt like nothing was really moving. Not like we normally would. We had a lot of gap downs today. Nothing was really giving us those moves, those nice, intense, extended moves that we really look for. But so as you can see, we actually waited for the backside on this one because we knew that this wasn't exactly a typical trade that we would take. Gave us that drop to VWAP. We were a little bit smaller on the share size as well. And as you can see, it made a nice bounce right off that previous resistance, use it as support, and it decided to go higher. We put our stop at break even, and unfortunately that was basically a top tick. 28.17.9 was the top of this candle. We were at 28.17, which our break even was actually 28.15, but we got some slippage there, about 2 cents, so not a big deal. The sucky part is right after that, it said, okay, well, we'll make that sloppy seconds just to laugh at you for a couple of minutes. But it did come down, hold that same support, and eventually go up to high day anyway, so not a big deal there. PDD, this one was, again, when I had it zoomed out like this, I couldn't really necessarily see that it was grinding as much, and we also had this key level here that we were looking at, and it made a nice little push at the end here. You can see this candle was a little bit bigger than the previous candle, but it was really extended already as well. Plus, we were getting right up to that key level that I had that line there earlier, and it just, I don't know, it felt toppy there. And as you can see, we were right. It tried to test it again twice, failed both times. We actually got our ad looking to make a decent profit on this one, and we weren't really risking too much, as you can see. We were looking for some take profit around this 138 area. It would have been about half of this move. But unfortunately, it decided to just consolidate up at the top of this move and move higher. And I'm not surprised. As you can see, it was a lot more grindy than we thought, and that's kind of what everything did today, which leads us to our last trade, which was on Snap. This one doesn't really look too much different. Same thing. I mean, look how grindy this is, just riding that 9. The only difference between this one was right around this area here at 46.05. This made a nice move. It was kind of like this one over here. Attempted pullbacks over here, did not, ended up going higher. But this one, just, there was a line here. It looks like I got it off the 15. If we go back just a little bit, you'll see it here. It got touched quite a few times. So when it broke through that and it felt like we had a little bit of a jiggle going on afterwards, I decided to jump in. We basically top ticked this. The high was 46.54.8 and our entry was at 46.53. So I tried to wait as long as I could, but as you can see, it started to form support here, had a bottoming tail, came up, it rejected, but then it started to form support and move a little bit higher again. So that was when we took it, and of course it was a little bit of a fake. It started to come back down, and that was when we decided to just, look for an obvious point to get out. And once it formed this pretty clear support base bouncing off of this previous resistance here, I mean, you could even argue that there was some there. Just a good bounce spot for it. Once it started to curl back up, we had a pretty good indication that this was going to have the probability of making this type of squeeze back up towards high of day, and that's exactly what it did. So that was our 3 frustrating trades. We went from small green to small red, back to small green, So I'm just gonna take it as a break-even type day, and I mean, it might as well have been. If I wouldn't have made the trades the way I did, I probably would have just sat on my hands and had no trades today, and that's basically how this is going to play out anyways as far as the P&L goes. So with that said, that's all I have. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. I always appreciate your support. Let me know how you did. Let me know what you traded. Let me know what you're looking forward to doing tomorrow. Again, join the Discord link as well down in the description. We always have a lot of fun in there, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.